Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. So in this tutorial we will display the post over here in the newsfeed. But first let's just fix this button. So we need to change this 12.5 to 14%, and now if we refresh our page, the button is now looking perfect and nice. So that's it. So now let's display the post. So in the previous video we just comment this get underscore post function. So now let's get this get underscore post function. So for that we will type function, then get underscore post, and now first let's not globals, let's global up the connection variable, and after that we will only show four, we will only show 4 posts on each page. So for that we will create a variable $per underscore page, and then it will be equals to 4, and we will now add an if condition. If I set dollar underscore get and then page, and now in this if condition dollar page will be equals to dollar underscore get and then the page, and then in the else condition we will type dollar page will be equals to 1. So if the user didn't change the page, then it will be obviously a first page. So now dollar start underscore from will be equals to brackets, add brackets, and then dollar page, and then a -1, and then we will multiply it by dollar per underscore pages. Okay, and now we'll get a variable get underscore posts, and it will be equals to select, and then we will select all from the posts table, and then order by will be 1, and then we will first show the latest post. So for that we will add descending, so it will by default continue the last one post from the table, and limit will be equals to start underscore from, I think, and then the dollar per underscore page. And now we will create another variable run underscore post, and it will be equals to mysqli underscore query, and then we will create a we will just pass the dollar connection variable, and then the get underscore post variable, and after that now we will add a while loop, and dollar row underscore post will be equals to mysqli underscore fetch, and then add a$, fetch array, and then we will pass the dollar run underscore post variable, and after that in the while loop we will create a variable post underscore id, and it will be equals to dollar row underscore post, and then the post underscore id, and then we will get a variable user underscore id, and it will be equals to dollar row underscore posts, and then the user underscore id, and then dollar content will be equals to sub str, and then the string will be the, I think, the dollar row underscore post variable, and start will be, and then we will only show 40 words on each post. Okay, only 40 words, and so that's why we type this 40, and then first we type 40 and then 40. So, and add one thing more, the post underscore content, because this will be equals to the post underscore content, and then dollar upload underscore image will be equals to dollar row underscore post, and then the upload underscore image, and then we will get a variable post date, and it will be equals to row underscore post. Oh, so it will be equals to the post underscore date. Wait, let me first check the post table. Yeah, it's post underscore date. And now we will get the user name of that user who has just posted. So for that we will get a variable, and it will be equals to select. We just select all from the users table, and then where user underscore id will be equals to the dollar user underscore id, and then over here we will type and post will be equals to yes. And now in the next line we will create a variable run underscore user, and it will be equals to mysql I underscore query, and then we will just pass the dollar connection variable and then the user variable, and then we will get a variable run underscore user, not run, I mean row underscore user, and it will be equals to mysql I underscore fetch array, and then the just remove that from there. So now just type the, I mean pass the run underscore user variable, and now we are good to take the user name from the database. So dollar user underscore name will be equals to row underscore user, and then the user underscore name row from the database column, and then user underscore image will be equals to row underscore user, and then the user underscore, I think it's image, let me just check it. Yeah, it's user underscore image. So now we will display the post. So now we will add an if condition. If the content is equals to no, so now we will create an if condition for the image if the user upload only a single image, not a text. So for that we will create a div, and we will set the uh, length of the upload underscore image variable. If it is greater than or equals to 1, this means if this variables have something in it, then we will echo that post. So now we will create a div, and this div will have a class will be equals to row, and inside this div we will create another div, and this div will also have a class as usual. So call hyphen sm hyphen 3. So I just write this call hyphen sm minus hyphen 3 because I want some space over here, so it will give me a 3-column space, and then we will just leave that, and then we will create another div. Class will be equals to call hyphen sm hyphen 6, and inside this div we will now echo the post. So first thing first, its id will be equals to posts, and now inside this div we will open up another div, and its class will be equals to row, and then inside this div we will open up another div, and then class will be equals to call hyphen sm hyphen 2, and then inside this div we will open up p tags, and inside this p tags we will echo the $user profile pic. So src will be equals to the users folder, and then the user underscore image variable, and then its class will be equals to img hyphen circle, and then add a single quote over there because we want to run this src over there. So now I think we will now give it some width. Width will be equals to 100px, and then height will be equals to 100px. Okay, so we need to remove that one and just close this image src. And now after this div we will open up another div, and its class will be equals to call hyphen sm hyphen 6, and then we will open up a h3 tag, close that, and then inside this h3 tag we will open up a and then href will be equals to the user underscore profile dot php question mark, and then u underscore id will be equals to the $user underscore id. Then close that air tag, and we will show the $user underscore name, and now we need to add some style. So over here style will be equals to, so we will close the text decoration, and text decoration will be none, and cursor will be pointer, and then color will be 3897 F0, and now just close that, and that's it. So after the name we will echo the post date. So for that we will create a variable h4, and this h4, inside this h4 tag we will open up a small tag, and then we will type updated a post on, and then some space, and then we will open up a strong tag inside the small tag, and over here we will just call the $post underscore date variable, and the small tag style will be equals to, we will give it a color, so color will be black. And then after this div we will open up another div, and class will be equals to call-sm-4, and we will leave that empty because we want some space. And after this div we will open up another div, and this div will have class will be equals to row, and then we will open up another div, and its class will be equals to call-sm-12. and now inside this div we will now show the image post. So for that we will type image src, and it will be equals to the image post folder, and then the dollar upload underscore image, and style will be equals to, we will give it a height, and height will be 350px, and before the src we will give it an id, and id will be post -img, and over here we will add a br, and after this, and then over here we will show the comment button. So we will type a href, it will be equals to the singer.php, and then post underscore id will be equals to dollar post underscore id. We will create this file in the upcoming videos, and style will be equals to then float, and float will be on the right side, and then over here we will close that and open up a button tag, and close that button tag, and button class will be equals to btn hyphen info, and then we will type comment, then we'll close the add tag, and then add a br, and after this div we will get another div, and its class will be equals to o-sm hyphen, how much colon we have left, okay 3, and add a 2br over here. So this all divs is from the only the single image post, and now we will create for the image description and the image. So if the user type both of them, so for that after this curly bracket we will type else if, and then str and it will be equals to dollar content, and it will be greater than equals to 1, and if the length of the upload underscore image is also greater than or equals to 1, then we will show it. So now inside this curly bracket we will just copy this code whole from this echo tag and just paste it down below. So we need to leave that image as it is, and then we will open up a p tag, and inside this p tag we will show the $content variable. So first it will show the description of the image and then the image, I mean the post image. Close that. Oh no, just like this, and over here also. And now for the, so after this else condition we will create it for the textual post. Okay, so for that we will just type else, and then we will just paste this code again. We will just remove that image, and over here we will just paste this p tag, and over here, yes, we will paste it over here, and we will add an h3 tag to make the text a little big. And now after this curly bracket we will include the pagination.php file, and we will create this file in the next video. So it will not give out any post if we refresh our page, because we first need to create that pagination.php file. So after we create that pagination.php file, it will show the post. So this is it for this video, and in the next video we will work on this pagination.php file. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel Coding Cafe and press the bell icon.